Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change a door eye hole. First, ensure you have the correct replacement peephole that matches your door's thickness and the existing hole's diameter, commonly ranging from a ½ inch to 1 inch. You will also need a flathead screwdriver or coin, and perhaps a soft cloth for cleaning. Having everything ready streamlines the process significantly, saving you time and effort. To begin, locate the two distinct parts of your current door eye hole, the inner piece and the outer piece. Typically, the inner piece is slightly smaller and can be unscrewed from the inside. Use your flathead screwdriver or a sturdy coin to turn the inner piece counterclockwise until it detaches completely. Once loose, carefully push the outer piece from the exterior, allowing it to fall out easily. This step should be straightforward and require minimal force. Now, take your new door eye hole and insert the larger, outer lens piece into the door's hole from the outside. Ensure it sits flush against the door's surface. From the inside, carefully align the threaded inner tube with the outer lens. Begin to twist the inner piece clockwise by hand until it catches the threads. Continue tightening gently until it feels secure and the viewer no longer spins freely. Avoid over-tightening to prevent damage to the door or the new peephole. After installation, step back and test your new door eye hole. Look through it to ensure clear visibility and that it feels firmly in place, without any movement. For ongoing maintenance, gently wipe the lenses with a soft, damp cloth periodically to keep them free of dust and smudges. Regularly checking the peephole for any looseness helps maintain security and ensures its longevity. Enjoy the enhanced visibility and peace of mind your new door eye hole provides.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.